In this video, I am building a login form with validations in Angular. Create a login component and prepare it for reactive forms. The command for creation of the component is this. Ng is Angular. G means generate. C is component and login. A folder name or file name you can say. When you hit this now, it will create this. I have already created, so it will say merge config path. Okay, ignore that. So when the component is created, these three, four files are created. One is HTML and this one. Okay, so let's run this code first. Let's run this project. I've already created this project and even I have put this route of login and component. So when I hit it, you will see the login component. You can see here to do is first this create. We need to create this and this as well. I'm using this chatbot, so it's already creating me this form. Okay. So what we need to do is create this form. Now why this is giving me error? Because we didn't create any reactive forms in TS file. Okay. So what we need to do first create here. We need to import this reactive form module here. And this is already giving me this everything. Okay. So what I'm using here, which chat I'm using. See, I'm using this GitHub pilot chat, so it's already giving me some insight or suggestions, you can say. Okay, we can create like this as well. Yep, this. So why it's giving me this error? Because we are using this FB it's like hosting. Okay, so what we need to do is use this any, give this any, then in this we can use form and call it here. Okay, so now it's not giving me error. So the only thing error is giving me is this. Okay, we created this submit, then console log the form. Okay, both files are saved. Okay, you can see the form right here. It will load. Can so you can see this right. So I have created this password 1234. So when I put click here on submit is right, so you can see the console log. So what we are doing, this is working. Okay, so when we are putting this is the form, user, password, and login. If there is no, okay, it's not getting disabled for some reason because we haven't put any validators in this. Okay, so what we need to do is put the validators. So how they are put like this: validators not required for this validators not required. Usually, what in guest code it's already gets imported when you put here. Okay, so automatically gets imported. On other editors, you have to like manually import the validators. So as you can see now in this, you see this as this is invalid. Okay, so even if I put here, it's still invalid until and unless everything is put, it won't get this enabled. Look, so that's how the validators are used. Other validators like email and you can just Google them like this. Email for email. This is validators is required for email. So we need to create this email as well. This is for just as an example, I'm showing you email. Okay, example, I'm showing you email. Okay, so it needs to be a valid email. Okay, else it will not work because we have used this built-in function validators built-in import that has this email method. Okay, this one that checks if it is an email or not. And unless we put this at the red Gmail as well, it won't work. So valid email is important. So we can use this validators input and put a validators validation on this form mode. Thank you. Yes, email testing at the red Gmail. It's coming, right? Thank you. Later we can use UI, any UI bootstrap material for making this code UI. But this is how we use a form, reactive form module and validators.